Nice onsen hotel with buffet line, amazing food line in nice onsen. Nice staff, good buffet, everything is very good. Hotel good location, full facilities, helpful friendly staff, good onsen room, highly recommended. 110th, glowing star emoji. I had a great time staying in Kinugawa Onsen Hotel. The hospitality and services were great. I have left my book in the hotel after I checked out, and realized it after 2 days. Immediately I contacted the hotel via Agoda. The response was given within few hours despite its late midnight. The hotel offered to deliver my book to my current hotel, and the delivery was fast and efficient. The hotel staffs were happily help out without hesitation. This wins my heart and I highly recommend this hotel for a great stay. This onsen hotel is awesome. First of all, I would recommend taking a taxi from the station to the hotel. It is not expensive and it will reach faster than the bus. The bus will pick up passengers who are staying at other hotels and it might take slightly longer to reach the onsen hotel. The room itself is bigger than I thought, and the view is great. We got the room that faces the mountain and the stream. The futon was really comfortable, which the staff will lay them out for you when you go for dinner. Their breakfast and dinner exceeded my expectations. It was delicious and they have quite a variety of food available, including desserts. They offer free snacks and drinks at the lounge too. I think there was a performance but we didn't watch it because we booked the private bath. The private bath is huge and it was sort of outdoor. It's not expensive, so if you're too shy to go to the public bath, you can consider the private bath. Just approach the staff and they will show you the available slots. Their service was great. We asked quite a bit on some of the sightseeing places we would like to go and they even helped to reserve tickets and told us how to go there. Overall, I highly recommend this hotel.